In this video, I'll be explaining the assignment 1.6. So that is Hive Impala assignment. So for this assignment, we'll be using ODI cricket matches dataset. So first we need to load the cricket matches dataset into HDFS and run the following queries in the Hive or Impala. And we do some data analysis in this assignment. So for that, first we need to go into Cyber Florida website, then into lab broker, and then we need to open the lab broker. So after that, a new tab will be opened. We need to start the Cloudera node. So once the Cloudera node has begun, so we'll see this interface. So the first thing we need to do is we need to load our ODI cricket data set into the desktop. So for that, just go click on here and upload the data set. So you just need to upload the data set from here. Big data. So assignment. So from this assignment you can just upload the data over here. So I have already did that. So here I have the continuous data set. So after this we just need to open the browser, and then we need to go to Hive file browser. So the interface would look like this. So we already loaded our data set into the desktop. Then we need to load that particular data set into our HDFS, that is Cloudera. So for that, we need to click on upload here, then files. So you can see our data set over here. Just click on select and then open. The data set will be seen here. Once you do that, the data set will be visible here. So that's how we load our data set into HDFS, and then we need to create a data frame using this particular data set. For that, we need to go to data browsers, metastore tables. So here we need to create a table using a file, form of a file. You need to click here, and then once you give the table name and description and the input, the table will be created. Let us play. I have already done all these things. I'm just explaining here. So input the file name. We can just give the path, or you can select the data set. So both works fine, and then continue. So we need to check the structure and continue. We need yeah, column names are fine here, and then just create a table. So that's how the table is created. Now we need to go to queries. So let me do the queries in Impala. I have already written all the queries over here, you can see. So I have the ODI data set here. So just invalid metadata ODI data, that will just check the data frame of the particular ODI data, and it will bring into the Impala environment. So then our first question is a total number of ODI played during the time frame. So for that we just need to find the total number of instances in the data set. So that is select star or select count of star from ODI data. Okay, let me run that. You can just click on run here. The query will be executed. So you can see 7494 instances in our data set. So the second question is the total number of teams that is played. So you can just take the distinct count of teams from the data set. So that will give the total number of teams that are played the tournament. So you can run the query. You can just see that there are 23 teams that have participated in the ODI competition. Then the third question is a data analysis question. Which team won the most ODI during the time frame? So for that we just select the count of winner as a count, and there is a winner column in the data set. You just select the winner and then we order by the winner, and we just select the team which has won the most number of ODIs. So here we can see the winner team is Australia, and it has on or like 1104 times. So the fourth question is bit tricky part. Which team won the most ODI during each decade? So for that we need to divide the data set into decades like 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 2000, and so on and so forth. And then and for each particular decade we will count the number of wins, and we will select the one particular winner for each decade. Let me run the query. So here we can see that for the decade 1970 to 1980, the winner is England, and it has won 62 times. 81 to 90, West Indies 238 times. 91 to 2000, Pakistan 300 times. 2001 to 2010, Australia 400, and 2011 to 2017, India, that is 270. So that concludes the assignment 1.6 Hive and Impala assignment. Thank you.